In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a resource pool in Microsoft Project. By the end, you'll have a single central list of people, equipment, and other resources that multiple project files can share, so you can plan consistently and spot over-allocations before they derail your schedule. First, create the dedicated file that will hold your shared resources. Open Microsoft Project, start a blank project, and save it with a clear name such as resourcepool.mpp. Treat this file as its own asset, separate from any individual project schedule. It's best to keep it in a stable, well-organized location so it's easy to find and maintain over time. Next, add resources to the pool. Switch to the resource sheet view. Here, enter each resource with enough detail to plan effectively. Use resource name for a clear label like engineer or machine A. Set the type to work, material, or cost, depending on what you're tracking. For work resources, set max units to reflect availability. 100% means fully available, 50% means half time. Standard rate is optional, but entering it now lets cost calculations flow automatically into connected projects. If you already have a list elsewhere, you can import resources to speed things up. Take a moment to be consistent with naming conventions so later reporting stays clean. Save your resource pool. A quick control process is all it takes. And this file now serves as your central resource database that other projects will reference. Now connect a project to the pool, open the resource pool file and the project file you want to share resources with. In your project, go to the Resource tab, choose Resource Pool, then Share Resources. Select Use Resources and pick your resource pool file. Choose Pool takes precedence, which is recommended because it ensures the pool remains the single source of truth for availability, rates, and calendars. Confirm with OK. From this point on, your project draws from the shared list and changes to resource details should be made in the pool file. Here's what happens next. All connected projects rely on one central resource list. You can view and manage workload across projects, detect over-allocations where the same person or asset is booked twice, and adjust availability in one place rather than chasing settings in multiple files. Resource information, availability, cost, and calendars is stored centrally, so updates are consistent everywhere. Remember to save both the pool and the project when you're done, and keep the pool file accessible to anyone who needs to schedule with these shared resources.